Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell already, today I am doing a HomeGoods haul. Yay! So if you want to see all the goodies that I got from HomeGoods, then just stay tuned. Woo! I don't even know where to start. Alright guys, I'm just going to jump right into this as usual. I have a bunch of stuff in front of me and I honestly don't even know where to start. So I am just going to start making a lot of noise and grabbing things. I went to HomeGoods to get some things for my laundry room that I am redoing. I've been talking about this in all my videos. So yeah, I'm redoing my laundry room, so I was looking for things for that in particularly, and then, you know, whatever else spoke to me that said you need me. That's what I was gonna pick up. So I guess I'll just start with this thing that's right in front of me, and it's just this necklace, you know, and you wear it like this. Okay, no, but this would low-key be some type of avant-garde look. Yes? Tell me this is not avant-garde. Bruh. I think this is gonna be the thumbnail. HomeGoods who? Let me stop. Okay. Be serious. Alright. I picked up this garland type of thing, and I plan to put this on my top shelf and kind of like have it hanging down. Oh, that messed up my hair, bro. What the heck? And have it kind of like doing some sort of thing. I am going to be doing a decorate my laundry room with me video, so you guys will be able to see how I put together all of these pieces. This was 25 bucks, and this is like from the Martha Stewart home line, I guess. But yeah, I really liked this, and the color green is like nice and rich, but not like that fake looking green. And I just thought it was really nice. So this is the first item that I picked up, and it's pretty long. I wonder, does it have the... It doesn't say how long it is, but when I put it up to my shelf, which is about 5 feet 4 inches, it almost stretched all the way across from that. So, okay, I'm just going to dig out of this bag here. I picked up another plant. You can never have too many plants, faux plants, because I can't keep nothing alive. And I thought this was super cute. It was like dinged up and stuff, and it has like scratches, but I have black paint, and all you just need to do is just touch it up. So they gave me a little discount on it. I got it for like 15 bucks. And I thought this was super cute, and I loved the, what do you call this? Like cage or like thing that it's sitting in. I just thought that was really cute, and I liked the leaf type that it was, and yeah, I picked that up. The next thing that I picked up were a couple of candles. This is the what is this, appleberry and pumpkin. I love these ones from HomeGoods and Marshalls. Oh my gosh, like my house smells like this all year round. I'd love for you to come in my home and it smell like Kirkland's or something. Or, you know, right now in Trader Joe's, they got those, like, spice sticks. Those, like, cinnamon spice, like, broom things. And when you walk past them, it's just so fall-like. I'm telling you guys, I'm in love with it. It just makes everything feel so cozy and welcoming all the time. So, yeah, this is the Appleberry Pumpkin. And these candles are only $12.99. And I think that's, like, a super good deal compared to Bath & Body Works. And they work really well. And they make my house smell super good. The next one that I picked up was the white pumpkin, and it just looks like this. The label on the other one was black, and the label on this one is blue, which I don't really care. They kind of smell similar, but I definitely smell like the berry in that one. But oh, I just love fall scents in my home year round. So I picked 2 of those up, and let me get this because it's poking my leg. Another plant. I picked this up as well. This one was 20 bucks. I super liked this. This is going to be going on like my countertop bottom shelf part. And I loved it because it was white and then it had like these black handle accents on them, or on it. And I just think that is like such a cute touch. Super simple, and I love the tall grass of it. So I picked that up as well. The next thing that I picked up were these. I don't even know what you call these, but I picked up 3 of these for my liquids in the laundry room. And these were super cheap. These were only $5 each. And I just thought they would be super cute. So I'm going to put some like labels on them, and yeah. And you just like pop it open like so. And then you can like pour your laundry soap. And I just thought that was a nice little decor piece instead of, you know, the Tide or whatever thing sitting on the countertop that is like, you know, a sight for sore eyes. And I don't like that. So I picked up 3 of these. I'm not going to like show you all 3. They all look the same. Then I picked up some Laura Ashley wool dryer balls. I've never used dryer balls before. If you've used dryer balls, then definitely let me know down in the comments below, because I feel like everybody is using these nowadays. And I'm not really sure if they're going to be for me and they work like how everybody claims them to work. And it says you can like use these things for over a year. And I'm just kind of skeptical because I haven't used it yet. But yeah, if you do use dryer balls, let me know down in the comments below how you like them. So I picked up, this is a 3-pack, and I picked up 2 packs. And then I picked up some of my syrups, which are the skinny syrups. I picked up vanilla caramel cream. These, like if you're on keto or if you're just trying to cut out sugar and things like that, and you put a lot of creamer in your coffee, particularly flavored creamer that has a lot of sugar and carbs and things like that, I definitely suggest finding these. They have them at HomeGoods, they have them at Marshall's. You can get them online, and they're super affordable, only $4. It's like Torani, but in my opinion it tastes way better and it's a lot more affordable, and you get a lot more than in the Torani bottles. But yeah, pick these up and switch out your creamer to like something simple like almond milk or something, and put this in there. It's over. It's over for you hoes, okay? Anyways, I picked up this flavor. I also picked up just the plain vanilla flavor. My go-tos are vanilla and hazelnut. Like, anytime I do coffee, it's only really vanilla and hazelnut. I really don't go too crazy with flavors. Even before I started using these, like, I always only really use vanilla creamer or like a hazelnut. And then I also picked up these, what are these? These like foam coffee toppings. These are like super good. I love this. The one I had before was, I think it was caramel, and that one was like super good. I loved it, and it made my coffee look really fancy. I have one now that is pumpkin spice. I haven't opened that one up yet because I tried the pumpkin spice syrup and I did not like it. So I haven't opened up the pumpkin spice foam because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. So it's just kind of sitting there. But this one is vanilla whipped foam, and it is infused with collagen. So I'm super excited to use this one. And these foams are like $4.50. So I picked up this one, as well as a French vanilla foam. And this one doesn't have collagen in it. But, you know, that's neither here nor there because I don't even imagine there's that much collagen in it to make it a difference. But anyways, I picked these 2 up. They're both vanilla flavor because I'm plain and simple. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was this Black & Decker steamer because I'm trying to be more of an adult and not turn my dryer on when I leave the clothes in there for too long, because that just wastes energy and raises my bill, and I'm trying to save money on my bills, okay? So picked up this steamer, and it's super simple. I really wanted the Shark one, but I didn't want to spend all that money on a steamer because I don't even know if I'm actually going to be using it or if I'm just going to keep running the dryer like an idiot. So this was only $30 and I didn't think it was that expensive to see if I would actually be putting it to use. So pick this up. If you guys have a steamer and you love it, definitely let me know down in the comments below, because I do want to steam my curtains. So maybe I will definitely put it to use for that versus my clothes. The next thing that I picked up were these jars here, and I just thought these were super nice. I love, oh girl, I thought it was cracked. I love the flat bottom, and the top just pops off. The top just pops off like that, and it's not like airtight or anything like that, so I'll probably just be putting like my dryer balls and stuff. Most of this stuff, again, like I got from my laundry room, so you guys will be seeing how I put everything together. And I definitely want to put some type of label on here, or maybe just write on it with some like chalk or something like that. So I picked up 3 of these as well. They are the same size. These ones were $10, which, I mean, they could have been like $7, but whatever. Pick these up, and the glass is pretty thick on it as well. Last but not least, at least I think that is the last thing because I have so much stuff around me. But the last thing that I picked up, I actually got this from Marshall's, but you know, Marshall's, HomeGoods, they're the same thing. So I'm just going to show you guys, and it's this super cute picture, and it just has a picture of a plant because you can never have too many plants. And I thought this was super cute. It's going to go on one of the walls in the laundry room. Super simple, and I love the frame, the wooden frame of it. Super cute, super simple, very minimalistic vibes I'm trying to go for. If you can't tell, the color theme is black and white, greenery, and what do you call this? Like wood tones. Is wood tones a color? Wooden tones. That is that's everything that I picked up from HomeGoods. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely let me know down in the comments below. If any of these items that I picked up were your favorite or you just really liked them, definitely let me know that down in the comments below as well. Don't forget to like, give me a big thumbs up on this video, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.